guys, we are in Sevierville, Tennessee, and this is Veterans Parkway right here, and it looks like it's Middle Creek is the crossroad right here as you're coming down Veterans Parkway. If you're headed from Veterans going south on it, this is what you will see, and it is called Sweet Frog. You'll see on one side, and the other one is Smoky Mountain Espresso. And as you come around, you'll come up that road right there. You come along, there's this really cool park up here. This is where RVs come, and it is so neat. What a view you get from up there. But right across the street from there, you go in that driveway right there, is this right here, Smoky Mountain Espresso. Look at that. You've got a big bear out there with a cup of coffee. I mean, how cool is that? Can't get any cooler. And they have it all decorated for Christmas right now. We're here. This side over here is a very cool frozen yogurt shop. It's called Sweet Frog. So you got Sweet Frog on one side, you got Smoky Mountain Espresso on the other side. It looks like this, and it is got a very, very pleasant Christian theme on it. When you go through these double doors here, you have a bathroom on each side here, women's side there. You got the men's over there, and right in front of you, you got some nice pictures and stuff. To your right is where Sweet Frog is, and that is where you'll get your yogurt and stuff. And it looks very nice. You get to pick from toppings, you get to pick all your different flavors there, and then you do it by the weight thing, you know, that's where they get you. But you go over to this side. This is the best part. If you love good coffee, I highly recommend this place if you are in Sevierville, Pigeon Forge area, and you just come in here and it's just got such a pleasant vibe on it going on. Look at that. It is so beautiful. Look at the tree over there that they've got. And then you've got it all set up here, and they have all their flavors, and they're iced and frozen listed up there. And then right here is the coolest. You gotta see this. This is called Pay It Forward Board, and people will write things on here. It says like this one right here, for a tired mama. And what that is someone has paid for a coffee or something for somebody else. If they're down and out, they just don't have the extra money, and then you just pick it up if you've got something to a veteran who needs to know that they are loved at home. So they have all these different things here. We are blessed beyond on behalf for a very, very wife lady, on behalf of a very, well, sorry about that, guys. I can't read that one, but it's got all sorts of neat things on it. And then look at that. And then you've got, it's set up so nice. Like Jesus is the reason for the season. Look at the view out here. Check out the mountains. I mean, you just don't get any nicer than that. But if you are in this area, I highly recommend that you come in here and you try out this coffee shop. And there you can sit on a couch in front of a fireplace as well. It's very, very nice. Darcy's the manager. Ask for her. You can tell them that Matt and Tracy sent her, sent you. And this is really cool. I highly recommend it. Come by for a great, fantastic cup of coffee. They'll treat you like family.